Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Project here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a Google profile picture. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course, you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or by data cellular. And now to the next step. We just have to open the Google. For the Google, you can open it by application like this, or also you can open by the settings, guys, because on Android there are Google settings on this settings page. You just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the Google options. But here I'm gonna prefer to use my Google application. Now tap on the account icon at the top right in the corner. Just tap on it. Now we'll see this is my Google account. If you want to change the profile photo, you just have to tap on a Google account first. And after here, tap on the personal info. In this page, you will see the profile picture options. You just have to tap on it if you want to change it. And tap on the button below at profile picture. Just tap on it. And you will see this option here, guys. There's many pictures that you can use as a profile picture. And if you have your own photo or your own picture to make it your profile picture for your account Google, you just have to go to this device options and it will be entered to your gallery. But here I don't have one. I'm gonna use for the first option, which is that provided by device. I'm gonna use for this next one. And after here, also you can use the filter, yeah, guys, for the photo. And also here for the colors, you can change like this. You just have to adjusting first. And if you're done, just tap on the next button here at the bottom. Now tap save as profile picture. And it's processing, I guess. You just have to wait for a second. And yeah, this is an information that profile picture on your Google account is updated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.